This is a video about Yealink MVC S60 unboxing. The M-Touch Plus comes in two main colors, dark gray and white. The MVC S60 is paired with the white M-Touch Plus. Step 1. Connect and install M-Touch Plus. You can find these two cables in the M-Touch Plus package. Connect one end of the Cat 5e cable to the M-Core port. Use the USB cable to connect PC to M-Touch Plus. Cover the back cover of the M-Touch Plus. The following is a detailed introduction to the installation method of M-Touch Plus. Step 2. Connect and install M-Core Pro. Press the buttons on both sides to open. Connect the Cat 5e cable from M-Touch Plus to the M-Touch port of M-Core Pro. You can find these cables in the M-Core Pro package. Prepare a network cable to connect the M-Core Pro to the network by yourself. Connect power adapter of the M-Core Pro. Connect the HDMI cable as needed for the display. Plug the Type A end of the SmartVision 60's USB cable into USB port. Close the bottom cover until hearing the pop sound, meaning it has been fastened. Fasten the M-Core Pro with machine screws. Install M-Core Pro. Pay attention to the direction of the bracket before mounting it on the wall and on the display. Step 3. Connect and install SmartVision 60. You can find these accessories in SmartVision 60's package. Plug the Type-C end into SmartVision 60's USB-C port, while the Type-A end has already connected to the MVC Pro's USB port shown in the previous section. Connect the power adapter to the DC15V port. Tear off the short sticky pad attached to the bottom of the SmartVision 60. Before pasting the SmartVision 60, make sure to orient the side indicated by the arrow sticker towards the TV. It is recommended that you can deploy the SmartVision 60 at about 1/3 of the front of the conference table. Then, paste the SmartVision 60 on the table. Remember to connect all devices to a power supply. Before using, please remember to remove the outer circle of the privacy cover sticker of the SmartVision 60. Step 4. Calibrate to ignore room monitors. One must calibrate a device to avoid camera detecting faces on monitors and rendering them on IntelliFrame. Step 1. Download all files via the link. If it is not accessible to you, please contact CMD team. Step 2. Log into MTR with admin privilege. Open the downloaded file, double-click on Install File. The app will start the installation. Step 3. Open Windows Device Manager and look for Yealink Pano H264/RAW camera entry under Cameras node. If the list of Yealink cameras as shown in the picture does not appear under the Cameras section within 2 minutes after plugging in the device, please check the USB cable or power supply and make sure they are firmly connected. Step 4. Locate and double-click on Intelligent Ignore icon from desktop. Step 5. The Calibration app will open a window where you can automatically and manually select any region in the room to be ignored for face detection. Manual mode. You can manually adjust the area using the upper and lower sliders that should be ignored by the camera for face detection. Detect monitor mode. It will automatically detect the monitor to be ignored. Note: 1. Monitor must be connected to MTR. 2. Once you set the ignore region, it will force the SmartVision 60 to reboot and apply the changes. 3. Unsupported scenarios. Glass walls. Pictures of people. Step 5. Set up the system. On the EULA interface, select the Agree checkbox. Click Next. On the account interface, enter the email account and password of Skype or Microsoft. Select Skype for Business and Microsoft Teams, default, from the supported meeting mode drop-down menu. Click Next. Click Next. On the advanced interface, configure the domain. Click Next. Click Finish to finish the setup.